Fix Vb6ko.dll missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Install Windows updates. Solution 2. Fix corrupted system files. Use command prompt commands to repair system file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Solution 3. Register the DLL. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Wait for the confirmation message that says DLL register server in Vb6ko.dll succeeded. Close the command prompt window. Restart your computer to complete the process. Solution 4. Run a malware scan. It is possible that a malware infection may be the cause of the SDL2.dll missing or not found error in Windows. It is important to run a comprehensive security scan to rule out this possibility and ensure that the computer is not infected. Solution 5. Run System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems. Select the one you want, ideally before the issue started occurring, and go ahead with the process.